Hi guys, welcome back to Sticker Thursday. So today my Sticker Thursday is inspired by a question I recently received this week about a patient that needs to work on their standing tolerance, but in addition to that, their clothing management during toileting tasks. So I have positioned my sticker onto a hand strengthener. I'm not actually going to use the strengthener as intended. I'm just going to hold on to it because it is kind of heavy. So then that way I'm increasing my grip strength. That will increase my clothing management. And then I've also positioned my laptop to be about belly button level away from me. So all of my movements are going to be around my waistline. So once I hit the play button and show you guys my screen, you can see that I am going to be moving my controller left to right, working on my functional movement while in the standing position, and I'm increasing my grip strength while I do it. So thank you guys so much for watching.